Starting with the unboxing experience, this was pretty much straightforward. In the box you can find the mouse itself. It normally comes in the graphite and the mid gray. I have here the mid gray. Also you can find the receiver and a USB-C cable. Getting straight into the 5 reasons why you should consider getting this device. The first one will be ergonomics. Coming from the Magic Trackpad, the Master 3 is one of the most ergonomic, or dare I say the most ergonomic mouse you can find out there. The shape and build of the Master 3 is almost the same size as the 2S. Almost the same design, provides a palm-tight grip for long and extended usage, with easy to reach and suitable button placement. The thumb support provides a solid grip, and the whole shape allows the palm to rest comfortably on the mouse. Weighing about 141 grams, the Master 3 is fairly heavy and feels really durable and premium. Button customization. The Master 3 can be classified as a mouse geared for professionals due to its vast support for button customization to suit the users in almost every case scenario. Depending on the app you use most, through Logitech options, you can customize the horizontal scroll wheel, the forward and back button, the gestures button to suit your daily needs or workflow. Customization with the Master 3 makes it a key tool in my everyday workflow, being in editing, writing codes, browsing, whatever your use case scenario may be. You can customize these just like you want through the Logitech options. Usability. The Master 3, just like the earlier version, is super precise and doesn't need specific surfaces to work at its highest capabilities. This can even track on glass. Whilst using this feels really quiet and doesn't make a lot of distracting noise. The scrolling experience is really smooth. You can go through 1,000 lines in about a second, or you can scroll smoothly to move line by line. At this point, if you're enjoying this video, a sub to the channel will be really appreciated. Battery performance. The battery on the Master 3 can last for a very long time, about 70 days of usage from this device. 1 minute of charge can give you about 3 hours of use, which is super amazing to have. Just in case you find yourself in a scenario that you need to charge your mouse, this is a really smooth feature to have. The device supports USB-C charging, which I know most of us will appreciate extremely. And it's kinda like the standard now, because we have a lot lying around. And you can easily charge this from the front, making it very convenient to use. Multiple device connectivity. With a Master 3, you can connect to about 3 devices and easily switch between them from the button by tapping of a button. This will switch between the connected devices. Also, Logic Flow allows you to send files between computers on the same network, which is really neat to have. These are some of the reasons why I think you should consider getting the MS Master if you're in the market of getting a very cool mouse, which is guaranteed to give you some good performance and costs about $99, which I think is okay for all the great features this device provides. This brings us to the end of the video. If you're new to this channel, I highly recommend that you hit the subscribe button, turn on post notifications so you get notified the next time I upload a video. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Leave in the comment section if you have your views, comments or questions, and I'm always hanging out with you. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next upload. Peace, I'm out.